Okay, we got the first version of the Geiger counter board together. You can see there's the old 6993 civil defense tube. It's kind of small. We'll eventually be using the Russian tube. I got that alligator clip on there just to get a good clip on the cathode, good connection on the cathode. It's hard to solder onto that old tin they have there. Okay, you see the high voltage power supply right there, the HC14 Schmidt trigger, and the op amp is right there. Okay, watching the scope, you can see we only get an occasional count for background here. Okay, I'm going to put I now have a container with uranium ore in it next to it. I put it in the container because I don't want any little chips to come out or anything. You know, that way I get the gamma radiation, but don't get much alpha or beta, and also it keeps any fragments inside so you don't inhale them. Okay, you can see they're getting quite a bit of activity on the scope. I don't have an LED. I use that one IRF 510, so I have to kind of get another IF 510 so I can drive the speaker and an LED. So that will be later. But you can see we have quite a bit of activity, and the uranium ore is not right next to the tube. You can see there we get considerable activity. Okay, and now I'll take the uranium ore away, put it over there, and you see that I get much less activity. All I get now is background radiation. Okay, I have another plate here. This is an old uranium oxide coated dish, and you can see it drives the thing nuts. Also, you shouldn't eat from these anymore because it could be hazardous to your health. As you can see, that drives the thing nuts. Take it away, it goes away. Bring it back. We have a lot of counts on there. So that dish is actually, the coating on that dish is radioactive, because it's back then, this is a dish from the 40s. Back then they used uranium oxide. Taking it away, bringing it close, taking it away. So that's the Geiger counter. Every once in a while you'll see a background pulse. Of course, this is the one that's designed just to click a speaker and interface with the solar metering computer in the yard, so I can have both solar generation and metric of gamma radiation out there in this particular location.